Welcome to my private sanctuary. This garden is an oasis in our busy world, removed from complexity of modern life and here to remind you of the beauty of nature. You are here today to learn the art of yoni massage and thus worship the divine feminine. And I am here to guide you. Yoni is the Sanskrit word and roughly translates to sacred cave. It is the personification of the female power in nature. Part of connecting to nature means shedding barriers. Please focus on your surroundings. Feel the gentle breeze on your bared skin. Listen to the birdsong and the rustling of the leaves. See the way the sunlight filters through the leaves. You are a part of nature, and nature is a part of you. Sit facing each other in a comfortable position. Bring your awareness closer. There is only this moment, this calm bubble with you and your partner. Stay in the moment of every step of this journey. There is no racing towards the finish line or reaching a goal. The purpose here is to connect and feel every movement.